Unbelievable, this car. It is an animal with 450 brake horsepower almost. This Audi RS4 in the Mythos Black Avant. Obviously, Avant stands for like the wagon, estate. Audi's version, they call it the RS4 Avant. And that's all that these cars come in, the RS4s, only come in the Avant. 4.1 seconds, 0 to 60. Now, these are the B9 engines. It's the 2.9 litre twin turbo V6. And do you know what? The setup of the engine and the way it works with the twin turbo, the zero turbo lag, I've driven these, and they're a rapid car. Unbelievable. Now this one's got 27,000 miles on, full Audi service history, 2018 68 registration. Obviously Quattro, today with the live price in this car is 50990. So for just under £51,000, you're gonna get a lot of car that has performance, looks, style, specification, but most importantly for me, practicality as well. If it's family, if it's pushchairs, if it's dogs, whatever it is, bikes, hobbies, golf gear, everything. And that's what this car does. It does everything you want it to do whilst still looking ultra mean. The Mythos Black is a great car. The black styling packs, all the grills, bottom lip, corner, everything is black on this car other than the Audi rings. You've got the LED daytime running lights, full xenons, front rear parking sensors with the headlight washers. But look how low it sits. It just sits with such an aggressive tone. You've then got the diamond turned 20-inch alloy wheels with the red RS brake calipers just behind there, again in immaculate condition, diamond cut and high gloss black. You've got air breathers in the front and rear bumpers. Side skirts flared with a bit of RS product. Like all the RS family members, 5, 6, 7, they've all got a flared front and rear arch, and you can see that. So again, to give it that more stunning look on it. Sun protection glass in black. You've got the high gloss black window surrounds and that beautiful full leather bucket style seating with the RS embossed into the seat. I love the detail in the red stitching. You've got flat bottom steering wheel, fully large Audi, live Audi virtual cockpit, media system with navigation, tilt and sliding panoramic roof, that beautiful silver two-tone carbon fibre effect inlays in there. You've got the Alcantara on the door cards, front and rear, red stitching and more leather. The rear seats is just as good. You've got that, again, that sporty feel to them with the little wing tops coming out. The red stitching, full leather, centre armrest comes down for more comfort, and you've got 12-volt sockets as well. There's a nice matte black finish to the roof rails. If you do go biking, you want to put roof bars on there, you can, you're more than welcome to. The double-lipped rear spoiler. Obviously it's an RS product, so you've got the RS iconic oval tailpipes, which sound tremendous, but they look good with the F1 style rear diffuser. LED rear lighting system, automatic tailgate, and a very nice generous boot. So this goes back to practicality. There's a lot of cars out there with 450 brake horsepower, but you can't put kids in the back seats, you can't put a pushchair in there, golf gear, or nothing like that. But this you can fully utilize every day, business or pleasure. And that's what I like about these. And I do mean what I say, because like anything, I mean, this has a very similar setup to the guys that know the Audis, like the B5 Audi RS4. Because of the whole turbo, the twin turbo, the hot V6 engine, they are brilliant. So when you're buying a car like this, you're buying it because of the power, the sound, the way it feels, the handling with the Quattro capabilities. They're just a fantastic car. Flat bottom steering wheel, again, continuous red stitching, paddle shift. You've got your different drive modes, if it's comfort, auto, dynamic or individual, so you can configure it. You can change the view and the navigation with the live cockpit, so you have just the rev counter, the power, the torque, it's all there. It's just like playing in a little video game. Other extras on this one, you've got the driver's electric seats there. You've got memory seats, the normal windows and electric mirrors there. And this one's also got massaging seats, so you press that there, and the seats massage. Oh, it feels brilliant. Do you want wave? Do you want stretch? So you pick which one you want. How good's that? So when you're sat there driving a nice, comfortable, fast car, you get a massage at the same time. Twin cup holders, USBs, stop-start button just there. Obviously the gear shifter, D for drive, R for reverse, and then press the P button to park it. Your normal adjustments for the steering column, up and down, in and out is just there. But I just think it's an all-round brilliant car. For £50,990, I actually think this is a great value car. because there isn't much more in the market that can deliver all that. Just arrived. My name's Joe. My name and number's on the bottom of the screen. Give me a call, drop me a WhatsApp, or drop me a text. Thank you. Bye-bye now.